Hey guys, how you doing? My name's Craig Evans. I am a property investor in the East End of Glasgow, and I've got a little thing to show you. I'd like to show you just now. Basically, my first property that I didn't go into it with all the money that I needed, but I knew that if I put my mind to it, I could deal with it. So this is one of those things I dealt with. Now, if you look at this, you would probably think, looking at this particular project, that it would cost an arm and a leg to fix up, and on the outskirts maybe, yeah, but if you get a few quotes from builders, they'll probably add another couple of zeros to that. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. I think grand total price for this project, this little mini project, was about 250 quid, maybe 10 or 20 pound more than that, not extortionate, so you know, it's all right really. So what was the problem that we needed to fix? So at the back of the wall there, now you can see the garage, that's the back door of the garage. I'll zoom in a little bit more on there. So you can see there's the back door of the garage, and around that whole area there it was pooling up with water, so we needed to put drainage in. So we kept all the existing flags as they were, added a few extras to fill in, and we extended it another half layer out towards the grass. So we took a little bit of the grass away. You can see here, that's the mark where the end of the would be. Excuse me. So obviously we had to just get in there and dig it all out, level it off. We had to have a huge iron pipe just to, with a kind of flat surface at the bottom of it, just to level it out, and then we put sand on top of that, and then we put the flagstones back on top of that. So we had to use string and wire and all kinds of things to level it off before we put it all back in. But it basically all comes back down to that area there, and that's straight underneath the existing drain pipe, so that just slotted straight in to the existing setup that was there. We didn't have to add any more drains or anything underneath, so it was quite easy to do. We just literally had to lift that up and put it back down and place that in between. So we had to put like an extra piece over at the end there just to fill in the gap at the end, and that was it, job done. We added a few extras with the edging strip around there just to make it look a bit more tidy, but you know, all in all, we got quite a good result for 250 quid. And now I did later on have to fix the grass and make the grass look a little bit more tidy, and I just replaced that with new turf, so it just have that better feeling. So if you like the idea of being a property investor, it's great, but sometimes you need to either pull your socks up and go and do something you've never done before, or you can have a professional do it all for you. So you can get hold of me, someone like me, someone that, you know, your dad, your friend, somebody to help you, or you know, you can invest hands-free in a company like myself, where that enables you to get the benefit from the uplift in the property value, but without actually having to do any work yourself. And that's the kind of service that I can offer. I buy houses. I also can offer you £500 for, if you find my next property project, it's a friend of a friend or family member. You know, if you find somebody out there that's happy to sell their property and I end up buying it, if you happen to be in the East End of Glasgow, that would be even better. But yeah, there's plenty of things that we can do. But have a look at the website, that's propertybridge.uk. Check it out, see what you think. There's probably a few other tips and things like this on there as well. Follow the YouTube channel, and you know, you can keep up to date with a few little things. We've got a few more projects coming out later on, but this is just something to do. You know, with this project, it wasn't too hard, but once you start getting quotes in, it all builds up. So you know, you've got to realize that some projects you can just take on yourself and just get in there and do it. So for this one, I was happy to go and do that all by myself, and I did quite a good job, I think. But yeah, okay, cheers now, bye.